Welcome to the AI TiTAN training video series. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use an image editor. Go to the left menu and click on the image editor. Now you are on image editor section. You can edit or create images or template here. Choose option according to your choice. Your chosen image will be opened in our exclusive editor. You can edit your image with our vast variety of tools. Once you done editing, click on Save and Download. And you will be able to save or download your image. Thanks for watching the video.